Good morning everyone and welcome to this daily update on Bitcoin and the Alts. Also, as always, hope that you're all doing very well on this Friday, finally another day. Bon matin. Welcome, mate. And so yeah, let's update Bitcoin. We're going to start with this as always, then we're going to move on the Alts if it's needed, of course. I'm not going to cover so much Alts, to be honest with you. Again, nothing crazy to update. But, so here, Bitcoin, we've got what yesterday, just an increase in price into the first resistance, go and touch the DNPOC, and from here, revert. So you can see here, for example, this was a DNPOC that we took here on the TIX1, so as always, it's important to take on the TIX1, okay? So now we can remove this, make this a little smaller, this is really the next resistance. And so yeah, we can simply go and check out the daily levels, see if we have a new daily there. Yes, we do. So we can take this one there and place it here. Perfect. Then we can load ExoCharts. If the stream is stopping, it's normal because my computer crashed. Hopefully it's not crashing today. Oh, alright, so let me just close this like that. Oh, no. Oh. There you go, and so ExoCharts. Just don't want to load too much someplace because you're gonna crash otherwise. There you go, perfect. So, naked session path control, we have 177.50. Perfect. Then we have what? No TPO and the NPOC. We can check on the TIX1 as always. Yes. 71,400. All right. We can now close this. Yes. All right, so we have this nice support there. We have many confluence, to be honest with you, at that. Oh, gonna reload ExoCharts by the way. Yeah, this is definitely a zone where we can look for a long trade. Let me just load this. Well, nothing crazy with this. Alright, so yeah, we do have a nice zone of support there, I'm not going to lie. So it's with the naked session path control, the daily level, the 618 86%, and the path control here. So we have all of this that can bring us with a nice long trade, you know, for the ending, the wave 5 of the ending. So we already have done this. Let me just check here if we already have the 5 waves up, or if we can still make something. I mean, the ABC zigzag up. No, we more likely have 5 waves. So yeah, we do have this possible long trade setup, okay, to look for a new high next. It will be simply to ride the C wave of the ending, you know, the C wave of the ABC zigzag in the wave 5 of the ending, so to speak. The ABC zigzag here, okay, A, B, C of the wave 5 into the ending wave 5, really. So yeah, we have this possible long trade setup. Well, these levels we don't really care a lot, to be honest with you. Now it can be maybe we're going to be a bit range bound during the weekend, so maybe a rejection from here, for example. I mean, something like this, a bit range bound. But yeah, looking for this long trade down to the path control here. This looks pretty cool in my opinion. Now, yeah, as always, trade everything based off the reaction. Simply go when, for example, we just set another here, okay, when you edit this, you just come when it rings, and what you do really is you just check the order flow and you just see if the data are good or not. Simple as that really. If there is no reason to own here, look for the lower target, so to speak. Here is a bottom here plus the daily level below. Okay, I'm gonna remove this all daily. Perfect. So now this is a possible long trade. If we break this, so swing for pan daily level, break this DNPOC naked session pound control. So the first zone of support really is coming around 67,800 down to 66,600. Break this 65,800 really around there. Break this, bam, we have the nice zone again around, so this daily around 63,800 down to 62,800. Break this daily naked session path control, so around 62,000, really 61,000. And if we start break this, we can look simply for a swing Philip as always, or a fail auction of this bottom there. Not gonna go too low for the moment, it's not really useful, even though we already planned this in the previous updates. But yeah, not really useful for the moment. So now these are all the support really we have to be aware of. You can see clearly where are the green squares. Okay, simple as that. If we now start to reclaim, well, we have this naked session path control DNPOC. I personally don't really care about these levels, to be honest with you. Well, you can see I'm bringing us with something, but yeah, as I'm looking more likely for a bigger triple wave into the wave 5, it'll be better to go and take the highs. So, well, first big resistance really is the top. Okay, the highs really what I've done. If we take this as always, swing through the pan or failed auction, we'll have a weekly naked path control just above, so be aware of that. Well, this is a big level, so we can absolutely take the highs and come back down and end the wave 5 like this. Now, if we manage to break this around 72,000, really, break this, look simply for 73,000. Okay, so this top right there, plus all the levels above, and if this is broken, simply the all-time high as always, swing, failure, pan, or failed auction. If we manage to break through here with no swing, failure, pan, or failed auction, we can simply look for the wave 5 targets we have planned, so to speak. I'm just gonna remove this, perfect, around, so between 74,800 to 75,000 really, up to 78,000. This is a zone of price really where we should normally complete this wave 5 if we have to do an ending. After these 5 waves, we should be simply into a bigger wave 1, 2, or it will be simply, you know, a bigger wave 3, another, so wave 1 to here, with that start a lot below, and so then that will be simply a wave 3, 4, 5. Simple as that. So either next to wave 4, either next to wave 2. Okay, and again, it depends how far this push up is going to go. It's possible we make something even bigger to the upside, but yeah, for the moment, gonna stay realistic, if we can say that, with the most probable stuff. I'm aware that we can explode to the upside, we can absolutely crash, but for now, I'm looking for this ending. Yeah, so don't forget, this WXY is still something valid and possible, okay? It's still valid, we can make something really complex, even if now we take the highs. For example, we can start with an A, B, C flat, that will be possibly the wave out of the ending, but no, it will be simply to make a longer W, X, Y, X and Z, for example, into the Y wave. So don't forget, if we have to make something complex, we can make something complex. It's possible. Okay, just don't forget this. But yeah, if we don't make it too complex, as always, this is not the goal to make it too complex. We can look for the ending, and so the wave 5. And so if we have to be into that wave 5, as I said yesterday, we have a first of all 5 ways here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 ways bring us with a bigger A, B, C. We have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That brings us with another A, B, C. And so here we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we have to be into that wave 5, A, B, C. Simple as that, really. This is what I'm looking for mainly at the moment until invalidation. And yeah, that's it really. So wave 5 target for in this between 74,800 up to 78,000. That's it really for Bitcoin. Don't forget, just before to move on some few arts, I don't know if I'm going to cover a lot of files by the way, but anyways, if you want to learn your waves, you've come to the right place as always. I know I repeat myself for the person that are here watching every day, but it's very important. If you want to get a chance to win the $300 prize pool, well, make sure to go and sign up on the website, go into the course section, learn the 4 first lessons on 8 waves, and on Monday, starting next week, you will be able to play the context only once, of course, and so to get a chance to win this prize pool. This prize pool, of course, is divided by 3, the 3 first winners. The first place will be $150, second one $100, and the third one $50. And don't forget, this is only the first contest. There are 2 bigger contests next coming, but after the 4 first courses, you have 6 more lessons, but you have to sign up as apprentice really to continue learning. Yeah, that's it really. You will be able to play some bigger contests with a bigger prize pool. Anyway, so that's it really for Bitcoin. Just gonna close this again to make sure my computer do not crash. Perfect. Well, nothing more to add on Bitcoin really. So what we can do now, Floki. We did took the highs here. We've got some 5 ways up. And we did took the highs. So ABC drop or oops. And that will be the best, a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending into the C. Okay. Otherwise simply a bigger impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, yeah, just to complete that wave 3 really. So we should make something pretty big in that case to the upside. That can be pretty cool. Like this, you know, it's the exact same start that we've got here. I mean, almost. Well, I'm gonna draw it because it's not the exact same shape. You know, so we have the first small blue 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That brings us with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Then we have the bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2. Possibly done, and then we have the first wave 1, 2 of this small, the smaller wave of this larger wave 3. So we have the wave 1, 2 of this larger wave 3, and so we need to get this wave 3, 4, 5. Again, it's not because we have done this before that we're going to do this now. There are many configurations possible as always, but yeah, this is something I'm spotting here. So possible bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending to complete the C, or impulsive to complete the wave 3. Looking for this mainly at the moment. Okay. So let me just place a wave here really quick, and then we're done with this. There you go. Perfect. And so just I can see the price we can reach if we go for wave 3 already. It's a nice, yeah, 50-80% increase in price again. It's pretty decent. Alright, yeah, so we'll see if this is a wave to bottom or not. And by the way, if you want to make it easy on Bitcoin, I'm gonna come back on Bitcoin, but you can just trade this range, for example, until it breaks really. This is simple as that. You can pull the volume like this. And well, the volume or the levels really we already have, so yeah, this is something you can do also if you prefer. But anyways, so yeah, the alts, well, nothing crazy otherwise on the other one. Check it before to go live, and nothing crazy. So not gonna spend too much time on the alts today. Hey mate, good morning my friend, good morning mate. Matteo, you're not so active in Discord now, is that because of your computer? Yes mate, I'm not that active because yeah, as you know, I didn't took a break for more than a month, and well, as now my computer is crashed when I load MOONCHARTS and I'm too much on it, so well, I'm just take a bit of a break really, if you can say that, to chill some few days and then to continue again. But yeah, not so much on Discord at the moment, simply because of my computer, otherwise I love trading, so I will be here. But yes, I cannot retrade. Well, not so much on Discord. And so I prefer to take a bit of a break, if you can say that, you know, I'm still here for the daily update and everything, but a bit of a break from trading, it's good sometimes, so, you know, it's not because I don't like this anymore, just because it's good, you know, for myself, really, if you can say that. But yeah, no worries, all good otherwise. But that's the reason why I'm not really active on Discord. Can you check WAF, bro? Yes, of course I can. Well, this is my preferred count, or an ending into the C here, but I mean we'll have some 5 ways, so it will be an ending with a smaller way of editing, so normally less probable. Now the thing is, if we take the lows directly, okay, well, we have a 5 waves, correction 5 waves, so it can be an ABC zigzag already done, and so a drop to go take the lows, but well, I'm going to look for the wave 5, so I'm taking this really. And so it was WAF. Yes, we can check this. So WAF. Well, perfect. 3, 4, 5. Let me see. Yep, extension. So let me see here, we'll have to find the smaller waves. Well, yeah, normally it will be like that. The fuck is this wave 1 though? Sorry, I'm not talking too much, I'm concentrated, I'm moving. Wave 4, okay. Well, yeah, this is pretty perfect, I'm not going to lie. Just a star, hey, is really what the fuck? Wait, a star with a triple wave here. And the next waves are 5 waves. The fuck is this again? Well, this is something to keep an eye on, because I already saw this before, where we get some triple wave into a wave 1. I mean, this is guess it's a truncated. Would make more sense to get a truncated wave from the previous waves there, but well, I will take this in any case. So normally the wave 5 like this, and so as always we can simply pull the third click of the extension tool there, and the wave 5 targets. If you want to learn how to do this, you can go and sign up on the website, it's absolutely free. I know I repeat myself on this, but I don't want to repeat myself all the time on the how to place the extension tool. Really, you can learn this for free on the website, so really go and sign up. It's free, they're waiting for you. So first target really, so here 1-to-1 extension if you do that alone. Otherwise we'll have the 1618, and the 2618, so $3.7. Well, when they beat both here, it sucks, not gonna lie, we stop in between like that, but anyways, 1618, so the $4.2, and then we'll have the $5 really. Oops. These are the 3 targets. We can look for a stop on WIF. Here it looks like we have some 5 ways completed already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So, well, either done. Okay, either done, and now we look for a bigger drop. Either a bigger ending with a smaller wave of a leading, so again a bit rare, but still possible. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a wedge clearly into the wave 5, okay, to complete this, and this will complete the bigger blue wave 5. Otherwise, a bigger impulsive really, if we have to be bullish, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we finish this, okay. And this is something we do a lot, very often, into the wave 5. Not saying that we're going to go for an extension, I mean for a bigger move to the upside, but this is something we do a lot these days in the wave 5, some bigger impulsive like that. So yeah, in any case, these are the targets. This is a mistake for wave 1 if you took that long. Now let's see which one plays out really. But if you want to bet on this bigger impulsive to the upside, you can simply take the retracement tool, click first there, second on the bottom as always, at the wave 2 targets, and these are your buy zones. So first one here, second one there, and third one there. That's it really. And you can buy in there. Limit stop loss below the low here, because we cannot break below, of course. We cannot break the wave 4, and from here, well, either get stopped out, either get the bigger impulsive. But again, don't forget that the trade is very risky because you're betting on the wave 5 to do something bigger. Well, the best trades are really around the wave 2 bottom there, because next you have the wave 3, this is the biggest push to the upside. Now it's possible that it's done, so you bet on something really risky. Now if you want to bet on this, you can absolutely bet on this, and in the case this is the way you can do it. It's up to you really. You deserve a break. Well, you know, the problem is that I love so much what I'm doing, so it's hard for me to take some break, but that's why the computer is not, I mean, the power supply is not doing the job at the moment, so I'm forcing myself to take a break, and it's good to take some break sometimes. To, well, yeah, just pause a bit, you know, think about yourself, not the job only, if you can say that, and think about something else, really. What do you think about social Fi Sol Bucket Coin Gary Network? Wait, what is this? Social Fi. Is that social finance or... Wait, I think I can show you here the tab. Like, is that an eye here or... Wait. Because it's the same, yeah, it's an eye. Just let me know which one is in there. Maybe this one, social fi. Thank you, mate. My pleasure, mate. And by the way, yeah, about the brick, I'm not going to be here this afternoon too, by the way. I'm gonna go visit my father, so I'm not going to be at home at all. So whatever happened, really, not going to be on the computer. Until tomorrow, and then, well, it's a weekend, so... Still brick until I get my power supply, and the power supply is coming on the 3rd of March, and, well, hopefully this fixes the issue, but normally it should. It just done change, you know, the graphic card, CPU, added some RAM, all of this, and so of course the power supply at the moment just can't handle anymore all of this. So Well, so no answer from you, mate. So I don't know which one it can be. I guess this. Well, yeah, but it's not telling me which one it is in there. Wait. If you have the coin, I mean the pair name on TradingView, feel free to share. Because I don't know which one it is right now. And I'm just checking the chart, you know, I'm not checking what the project is or whatever, so it can be a Gary network or something, or someone behind. It's not going to change for me. Ah, okay, so it's Gary. It's wait, what do you think about it? Oh, okay, it's Gary. Yes, so I have some TAs on this. I have done some TAs yesterday about this. Where is this? There. That's a bullish wave count, okay, for Gary. So wave 1, wave 2 with an ABC flying the wave 2, and then we have another wave 1, wave 2 with a bam, increase in price of 305, and these green waves are simply going to complete this blue wave, and this blue wave normally, if we're in this impulsive, should reach minimum, well, 0.1 really, okay, 0.098, but normally 0.1. So it's a 200% increase in price now, something like this. Yeah, 150. So kinda nice, but as always, don't forget there is always a bearish plan possible. For example, here there will be a WEXY or a WEXYXNZ, for example, and so I bring us with a bearish plan that is simply not this, but this. So a longer wave 2 or a longer B wave, as always. Oops. There, longer B wave. Okay, just don't forget this. Now, personally, this coin is very complex to analyze. Now, this is the account I have, but you have some scam weeks everywhere. So to give some good targets, or the premise, for example, if this is a scam week and the real wick top, really, if we can say that, is not really here. Well, the thing is, it changed the price next higher. So just be aware of this. But yeah, this is the account I'm looking for until really Bitcoin start to turn really bearish. Until this happens, these are the targets I'm looking for. As I said, we don't have for the moment the 5 waves to the upside, so it's not the best. Just gonna double check this again, but well, yeah, we'll have more likely a triple wave. So either a truncated triple wave and then start, you know, the 1, 2, 3, or 5 and finally rise next, or yeah, or a bigger triple wave to go take the lows and then come back up, really, if we have to be bullish, of course. But yeah, that's the plan on Gary at the moment. And you've got two good bounce from the first target already, with some nice 40% increase in price. This is pretty insane, pretty insane. So yeah, nothing more really to add at the moment, chips. Nothing more to add on this. Their white paper. What's that? No, I don't know, mate. As I said, I'm not checking, you know, who's behind the project, what's the project. For me, I'm just trading and buying, for example, some assets based on the chart. So you can get any news coming in, I don't care. You can get anything coming, I really don't care, really. I'm really only checking the charts, and that's it, really. That's the way I'm doing. So it can be, I don't know, Elon Musk behind a project, or I don't know who, or the roadmap, really. I really I'm not paying attention to this. So you're never going to see me, you know, do a project review or something like this. I'm just going to analyze the chart. It's for me, this is bullish, this is bullish. For me, this is not bullish, this is not bullish. Now, this was just not a coin I personally wanted to buy or something. It was a request, so I am placing the waves here. But yeah, personally, I'm not investing into this project. Reason is very simple, it's not because I don't want to, but simply because I'm already on too much, and well, you cannot at some point add some even more money on some other project. You're already in many projects, and so it's for me enough. But yeah, the chart really for me is telling me everything. For example, if we go more down from here, I know what to take. If we go high from here, well, I know the different price, I know everything. And if Bitcoin, for example, is not bearish, there is no reason to be bearish on this. So it can be very bullish. For example, if we're in such impulsive to the upside, well, if we're bullish, I know that equate 3 will go minimum to 0. Well, let me just remove that, 0.066. So I don't need like all these informations really. For me, just based on the waves really. I know it sounds maybe crazy because normally you should do this, but well, based on my experience, you know, this is the way I'm doing this. And well, I'm living from trading for many years now, so well, this is my way to trade. Again, there are many ways to do it. There are some people living from trading for investment based on the fundamentals, if you can say that. Personally, not. Different way to trade, but yeah, my way to trade is not this, so I don't really care if you can say that about the roadmap, really. Don't take it about something, you know, it's just my view on this. Yeah. Just the waves for me, and the chart is that is good on this. It's enough for me. That's it. So yeah, no problem, mate. Perfect. Then, so yeah, that's it really for me for today. Not gonna make it too long, to be honest with you. No need to update the Alts. ICP, by the way, just before to end. And there, ICP. Well, we're into the target, right? So don't forget the 5 ways can be done. It's possible, but yeah, for now, still looking for that wave 4. Either, you know, as we've planned yesterday, into this trend line here from that top to that top, depending on the reaction, and otherwise we can simply look for the 50% really with the DNPOC and the path control, I guess. Yes, path control. If we start breaking this, don't forget it's not looking so good. Still be aware of 61886% with the value low, but yeah, we'll be a bit careful in that case. Okay. So anyways, I wish you all a brilliant day, have a nice weekend ahead. Don't forget, if you want to learn any waves, you've come to the right place. You can simply go and check out the MOONCHARTS.defer website. You already have the first 4 lessons available on your waves. On the 10 lessons you will get at the end. Just go and sign up, go into the course section, Elliott waves, and you will be able to play on Monday, so starting in 2 days, a contest with a nice 300 USD price pool. The first place will get 150, the second place will get $100, and the third place will get $50. Of course, this is dollar, but worth in Bitcoin. You're going to get paid, if you can say that, in crypto. And yeah, just take your chance really. And then if you want to play 2 other contests, that will be around the 8th of April and in June. Well, you just have to sign up as apprentice, continue with me, and you will get 6 more courses. And of course, so these really good rewards for the contest, and you will get some more stuff there. If you go into your account page, you will get some gather patterns, for example here, some live chartings after, for example, the 10 courses. I'm going to go live to show you how to do some analysis on the higher time frame, the medium time frame, how to analyze a coin really with what you learned. And then we can simply, I mean, we're going to do some gather patterns and some other live chartings really on some, for example, some assets you want. We'll see really. Okay, we'll see what you want exactly. And yeah, so just if you want to continue and get the 2 more contests, simply sign up as apprentice. You don't care, and you just can play the first contest, and it can be absolutely an house for you. Anyways, I wish you all a nice weekend ahead. Take care of you. Thank you all for being here as always. And by the way, I always forget about this, but we have normally the Fed today. Yes. 2, by the way, we have the Fed and something else. So we have 130 UTC plus 1 and 430 UTC plus, yeah, 430 UTC plus 1. And this is the Fed, so as always, this can bring us with some few volatility. Anyways, have a nice weekend ahead. Take care and catch you all on Monday for the next one and for the contest. Cheers.